Living Flame number 25, As I Love You. Another beautiful living flame that we can reflect on today. We read from John chapter 15. Jesus said to his disciples, As the Father loves me, so as I also love you. Remain in my love. If you keep my commandments, you will remain in my love, just as I have kept my Father's commandments and remain in his love. As the Father loves me, so I also love you. As God loves us, so must we love one another. This is a beautiful insight for us to go deeper into ang pag-ibig ng Diyos. Kung paanong minahal tayo, yun din ang magbibigay sa atin ng inspirasyon para magmahal din sa ating kapwa. To keep God's commandments of love as I have loved you. Maganda pong sa ating pamumuhay araw-araw, lagi natin itong gawing gabay sa ating mga ginagawa. Minsan po kasi, mahirap magmahal. It is so difficult to love. Especially the many people who are unlovable in our life. May mga tao pong mahirap mahalin. May mga taong kahit anong gusto mong gawin o kahit anong pagsisikap na ginagawa mo, talagang napakahirap silang tanggapin, unawain, at mahalin. But then again, the Lord tells us, your love for each other must not be based on human love alone. Ang pag-ibig ninyo sa isa't isa ay hindi dapat nakaugat sa inyong pag-ibig lamang na galing sa tao. If we love each other from our human love, it has always an expiration, it has always its limitations. Ang pag-ibig ng tao, may limitasyon lagi yan. Napuputol yan, nakakalimutan, at madalas sa hindi, dahil tayo'y marupok at maraming kahinaan, tayo rin ay sumusuko. So many times in our life, we give up on love. We give up on forgiveness. We give up on accepting each other or understanding one another. But the love that the Lord wants us to develop and cultivate in our life, is the love of God, as I love you. Dalawang salita lang po yun, as I. Pero doon po nakaugat ang pag-ibig hanggang sa dulo o pag-ibig na hanggang dito lang. Sa mga mag-asawa, malinaw na malinaw ito. There are couples who are able to make it 50 years in their marriage, 60 years as husband and wife. Marami pong matagal na mag-asawa. Ang tinatanong ko madalas, every time I am requested to officiate 50th golden wedding anniversary, ang tinatanong ko lagi sa kanila ay, what gave you or what made you stay together for a long time? At madalas sa hindi, napakasimple lang naman ang sagot nila. Those who celebrate their golden or even silver wedding anniversaries, they tell me oftentimes, Father, in love, bigayan talaga yan. It has to be a give and take relationship. You cannot overwhelm or dictate on the other. It cannot be one-sided. If our love is to last, it has to be a love that is mutual. In other words, kahit mahirap mahalin ang isa't isa, we have to develop that capacity to be patient in love. Sabi nga ni San Pablo, 1 Corinthians 13, love is patient, love is kind. Ang unang katangian ng pag-ibig ay pagtatyaga, ang pagkapasensya, ang kagandahang loob, ang kabutihan at kabaitan. Hindi magtatagal ang anumang pag-ibig kung nakaugat ito sa pagkamakasarili. kung laging nanggagaling ito sa pagmamataas. True love, to love as God loves us. That love must be qualified by humility, patience, generosity, kindness. May we develop this also in our life today, lalo na sa mga kabataan din. Parang madalas, ang pag-ibig natin ay nagpapalit lang tayo ng damit. We treat love as a fashion statement, lalo na sa mga celebrities. Very obvious yan dahil kilala natin ang mga talambuhay nila. How many of them tell us and show us that love is not permanent or love is but temporary? Kaya minsan po, kailangan kilatisin din natin mabuti ang mga taong pinapaniwalaan o hinahangaan natin. Akala natin they have it all. No. Many of them also struggle in this very important human dynamics and relationship of love. Kasi hindi pa nila nakita kung saan dapat nag-uugat ang totoo at tunay na pag-ibig. What is the key word for love? Not human love, not our love for each other. The key word and the operative word for authentic love is as I have loved you, so you must also love one another. Kung paanong tayo'y minahal, doon din tayo magmamahal. Kung tayo ay nakaranas na mahalin ng Diyos nang walang pakundangan o nang walang limitasyon, ganun din ang pag-ibig na hinihingi niya sa atin. If we are to love, we must always refer to God's love in us. As I have loved you, so you must remain in love with one another.